You go to sleep perfectly fine at night. Everything feels normal. But when you wake up in the morning, you can't see anything. No light, no shadows, nothing at all. This is the story of Olivia, who woke up one morning and her entire world had turned into darkness. Olivia was a young girl living in the United States. She loved makeup, selfies, and spending time on her phone. Like most people her age, she spent hours scrolling, late at night, staring at a bright screen. At first, it didn't seem like a big deal. Everyone does it, right? But slowly, her eyes started giving her warning signs. Sometimes they felt dry, sometimes they turned red. Occasionally, she felt a slight burning sensation, but Olivia ignored it. She thought, it's nothing, just normal tiredness. Days passed and things started getting worse. Her vision became slightly blurry. Not too much, just enough to notice. But instead of taking a break, she used eye drops and kept scrolling. More screen time, less rest, more damage, less awareness. Her eyes were trying to tell her something, but she wasn't listening. And then, one morning, everything changed. Olivia woke up, reached for her phone, but something felt wrong. She blinked once, twice, but nothing changed. Everything was dark. At first, she thought the room lights were off, but they weren't. Her heart started racing. She waved her hand in front. Nothing. No movement. No shadows. Just darkness. Complete darkness. Panic took over. She started breathing faster, her hands trembling. Why can't I see? Her family rushed her to the hospital immediately. Doctors began testing her eyes. Lights, machines, scans. The room was silent. And then the doctor's expression changed. Something wasn't right. After a few moments, the doctor looked at Olivia and said, "Your eyes are severely strained and damaged." Olivia's heart sank. The doctor explained, too much screen exposure, lack of rest, constant pressure on the eyes, all of it had slowly damaged her vision. And the worst part? It could have been prevented if she had just listened to the early signs. Tears rolled down Olivia's face. She couldn't believe it. Something so small, something so common, had taken away her ability to see. But there was still hope. The doctors immediately started treatment. No screens at all. Complete eye rest. Medication and recovery therapy. Days passed. At first, nothing changed. Just darkness, silence, fear. But then, something happened. One day, Olivia noticed a faint light. Very faint, but real. Her heart filled with hope. Day by day, that light became clearer. Blurry shapes turned into shadows. Shadows turned into outlines. And slowly, her vision started coming back. The day she saw clearly again, she stood in front of the window, feeling the sunlight on her face, and tears rolled down her eyes. But this time, they were tears of relief, tears of gratitude. She had her world back. But Olivia wasn't the same person anymore. She had learned something important. We use our eyes every single day, but we rarely take care of them. We ignore the warning signs until it's too late. Today, Olivia shares her story to remind others that your health is not something you can ignore, because